There we go, look at this. He's thinking.
Bro, let's get it.
So like 500.
Based on that, higher.
I want to say, God, bro.
1500. Higher.
Okay, last one now.
Wow.
Let's keep him right there.
Last guess, right?
Probably like,
Last guess.
Up to you, man.
if we go middle though, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
I need a fine answer from you, my friend. So.
Yo,
Yeah. In the background, hey bro.
3,035. 3,035. No, 3,000 or 3,500. 3,000.
I make music for God. I told her I would let her see that blood.
You stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer.
All right, so today we are doing some kind of vlogging stuff, I guess. We're gonna be trying something new for the channel. We're actually in Waikiki in Honolulu, Hawaii. So we're in Waikiki and we're gonna be asking people basically how much are my shoes, which for a lot of people, like the vast majority of people, nobody's gonna know this stuff, man, especially when the shoes are. Yeah, so we're not expecting much out of a lot of people. But if they do get it right, we'll try to give them like some kind of monetary prize or something like that, I guess. How much should we give the people?
We're giving them a solid 5.
$500.
You move the decimal point a little to the left.
$5?
5 buckaroos.
5 whole buckaroos, man. That's I feel like that's pretty good. All you have to do is guess, and if you get it correct, you win money. That's pretty good. Cody over here doesn't know anything about being a hype beast at all, or anything about shoes, as you can see from his $7 slippers.
I know everything about.
You know everything? Okay, so how much are my shoes?
Your shoes. You told me in the car.
I did not say anything. Educated guess.
3?
3,000. You're thinking.
300?
300.
300.
Okay, 300. So his guess for these are 300. Let's take a look at what we got here. So we're gonna go over here, Yeezy 2 and Pure Platinums. So if he actually guessed 3,000, the boy would have been on point.
Yep.
But he guessed 300. So unfortunately, you don't win this time, man.
That's okay.
How do you feel?
Your reaction would have been after I said 3, and you're like 1,000, and I said yeah, and then what you would have said after.
I
would have been
like,
incredible.
dang.
Yeah.
You just won $5
I knew.
bucks,
Yep. I knew all along.
So yeah, let's do that today. How many people? What is your over-under on this?
My over-under is 1, honestly.
You only think one guy can get them?
And I'd go under.
So how much do you think we should make it, like, in terms of how close they have to be, man? Like, obviously getting it on the dot is pretty hard. And depending on where you look, we'll make it like stock X as the place. So
200 bucks.
Within 200 bucks.
Within 200.
Okay, so within $200 if they get it right, then we'll count that as a win. Sounds good? Okay. I still don't think it's gonna be a very high number. Maybe like 4 people at most. We'll find out, I guess.
I'm not nervous whatsoever.
You're not? Think of it this way. Once you get the first one out of the way, it'll be super easy after that. And the worst thing they can tell you is no. Actually, the worst thing they can tell you is that we're gonna go get security and you guys can't be here and suck. Well, we don't suck, so it's not gonna happen, right?
Video? Sure.
Okay, cool, awesome. So the channel is Untied Hawaii. We focus on shoes and stuff. So we're just gonna ask.
You. Yeah.
Wait, what's that?
I follow you.
No way, do you really? What's your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy. Okay, Bryson, nice to meet you. You're gonna be on the channel.
All right. Well, name of the game. We're gonna guess the price value of Untied shoes right here. Since there's 2 of you guys got 2 guesses.
Okay. I do 1,200. 1,200.
Ooh, that's a high guess. Okay.
Based on her guess.
Oh, you're helping him
it's
out.
Higher.
What?
Oh my
Higher.
gosh. Okay.
What?
I know, for just shoes, right?
Yeah.
Insane.
My guess would be 2,500.
Ooh, very close, my friend.
So close.
I have no idea how this happens, but this is the number for the shoe.
Oh my
gosh.
Isn't that crazy?
It's the Air Yeezy 2.
Air Yeezy 2. Crazy, right?
That's so
Well, thank you for playing the game, man.
Yeah.
It's insane, right? Yeah. Oh, awesome. Great. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
That is an awesome start. It doesn't get better than that.
How's it going, guys? Any chance you guys want to be on YouTube? No?
What do you have to do?
I'm just gonna play a quick
Easy
shoe
question. You just have to answer a question. If you get it right, you actually win $5, so
Yeah.
it's worth it, I feel like.
I don't think it hurt.
How much do you think my guy's shoes are worth?
Are you a sneakerhead? Not really.
I mean, I have a couple Ultras, couple NMDs, but
Oh, there you go.
crazy.
Okay.
So are we talking about like resale or
Their actual resale value right now. Good. That's a good question. He actually knows his stuff. There we go.
$700?
It's a little higher.
$1,600?
This is the actual number of these shoes.
Okay, that was what are they called?
Air Yeezy 2s.
Awesome.
Yeah, these are the Kanye's before he went to
before
Adidas
he
and
went to
stuff.
Adidas,
Yeah,
yeah.
see, he actually knows his stuff. Right on, man. Thanks.
No, wait. Go. We're waiting too. What is more?
Okay.
What's up, man?
Oh, what's the price value of my man's shoes right here?
The Yeezys right there, right?
Oh, my man knows this is not safe.
Hold on, man. It depends, man.
2012.
You going like Flight Club is way higher than regular shoes.
We're going off of StockX pricing. Brand new.
Chances. I'll give you 2 chances.
Like Flight Club, they crazy. He said StockX. StockX usually got a reasonable price.
There we go. Look at this. He's thinking.
Bro,
Price they bid.
let's get it.
So like 500. Based on that, higher.
I want to say. God, bro.
1500. Higher.
Okay, last one now.
Wow.
We'll keep him right there.
Last guess, right?
Probably like
Last guess.
3 to 4.
Up to you, man.
Okay? If we go middle though, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
I need a final answer from you, my friend.
Yo,
Yeah. In the background. Hey, bro.
3,035. 3,035. No, 3,000 or 3,500. 3,000.
Can you give that man some money?
What's
Give
good,
that
yo?
man
What's good, yo? Hey!
some money, bro. Right on, man. Right on, man. The
We know
channel
these
is...
shoes, man.
Here, guys.
$5,
Let's go. Hey, low key, that was super impressive, man. You got it right on the money, dude. Right on the money. I mean,
good.
yeah, and the problem is that it's such an easy whole number that it makes it kind of difficult, you know? Like, they're gonna get it. But that's okay. We want to give out the money, right?
Depends on how much money we got.
Yeah, that's true. We don't want to give away the bank, man. We gotta keep the house. I gotta feed my dogs. We only have so many $5 bills here. Cool.
All right.
We got 2 contestants.
Name of the game. If you can get within $200 of the resale price of his shoes there, we give you a prize.
Okay, 800,
Higher.
1400,
Give you one more guess. Higher.
2300.
23.
And the actual price of these shoes are...
Damn.
What do you think of that, Raspberry? Insane, right? How much kibble is that?
Can you hover with them? Or? We're refurbishing the sailboat. We're trying to fix it up so we can sail away
Sorry,
someday.
guys.
At least sail to Maui, the big island.
Very nice to meet you. Yeah,
Likewise.
yeah. Thanks for playing.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah,
All right.
You guys have fun?
yeah
We're
thanks,
all
man.
good?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Hey,
So much. Give us a call.
can we donate?
Oh.
We know you didn't win, but shoot, we want to donate to your guys' boat. Yeah. If you won, that's what happened. So, thank you guys. Thanks, Raspberry. So our homies over there didn't win, but they got a good cause. So yeah, check it out. That hashtag.
Help float the boat. Help float the boat.
Yeah, man. All love. He was a bit off though. Nah, he was a bit off on the guess. I mean.
Oh yeah.
He's alright.
Oh, we're filming for YouTube right now. Any chance you guys want to be a part of the video?
Whatever you gotta do.
Just answer a question, basically.
Yeah, what kind of question?
It's about shoes.
What about shoes?
Well, so they're in the video, basically.
Right. We're gonna try and guess the value of my guy's shoes right here.
You go first. It's a Nike.
Oh yeah.
I would say it's 250.
250? Higher.
I said 400.
Even higher.
Woo.
My first guess, 1,000.
Even higher, my friend.
Higher.
She's like,
higher.
yeah.
Yeah,
She's
last
like,
chance.
you know, within
Your
200.
shoes.
These shoes right here.
These shoes.
Okay, even higher. Okay.
She's like very analyzing.
Alright,
Yeah.
So, is it really comfortable inside?
Yeah. You can't hover though. You can't float. It doesn't make me super fast. It's just a shoe.
shoes.
Yeah, it's just a shoe.
Okay, I will have to say 10 grand.
Ooh, a little bit too high. This is what we're looking at though.
I was just about to go with 5.
For shoes though, right?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
That's a lot.
It is. That's too much, right?
Right, it is.
Yeah, that is crazy. I don't know why people do this to themselves, man.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, if I'm gonna pay $3,000 on that, I might as well put it down on the down payment for a new car.
There you go, especially in Hawaii, right?
Right? Freaking Hawaii is expensive.
Thank
I'm
you,
over here
thank
visiting.
you.
I can
See?
only last me $100 just 1 hour. $100, 1 hour.
Right on. Thank you guys so much,
Thank
though. I
you.
appreciate it. Yeah,
Appreciate
bye.
it, guys.
I'll be in a video.
Cool, man. Let's do it. Is that okay, Mom?
I don't care.
Cool.
All right. We're guessing the value of my guy's shoes, right? You can get the right price, then there's a prize involved. If you can get within
Okay.
$200.
I'll say 3,500.
Really close.
That was really close.
Really close. A little bit lower. I'll give you one more guess.
Okay.
A little bit lower. Just thinking.
Just thinking.
I'll go 2,900.
Oh!
my God.
So
Hey.
let me show you what the actual price is. I feel like this guy knows.
Yeah, he knew.
So he said within 200, right?
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. This guy got
Alright,
it.
guy.
Man, you know your shoes or what?
Thank you.
Do you know your shoes?
Thanks for playing.
I do a little bit. Yeah.
There we go. Right on, guys. Okay.
Well, thank
Yeah,
you.
have a good one.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. That's pretty cool.
Not bad.
we're going around Waikiki asking people how much are these shoes worth. And since you watch the channel, you must be a sneakerhead. A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know what shoes these are?
Isn't that the Yeezys?
Yeah, my man knows the old school Yeezys though, the Nike Yeezys.
You can get within $200 of the resale price of this guy. You get a price.
Platinums, pure platinums, Air Yeezy 2s.
I say 6,500. 65?
It's pretty high, my friend.
Pretty high. That's it. No lower.
Not that high up there. That's pretty high. Yeah. Good guess.
4,500.
Give him one more.
Lower. 29. 29. Did I get it? There you go, man.
Within 200, we said, yeah, and these are actually going for, do you know what StockX is?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Let me show you what the price is on StockX. Within 200, right?
Is that 10 half too?
Yeah, that's a 10 half. Got him, right? Got him. Show me this one, Cody.
Alright, buddy.
Right on, man. Alright, Cody. So what is our damage? How much have we lost today so far?
According to my calculations.
Calculating.
So far, 20 bucks.
20 bucks, that's not bad.
Not bad.
That's not bad. That's actually, people are guessing a lot better than we thought they would. But, you know, that's okay. The whole point is we want to see people win. Kind of. To an extent. Maybe we gotta make it within $100. You know what's funny though is if it was within 100, they would still have won. Yeah. They were guessing 29.
We still would have been in the same spot.
That's true. So okay, we're perennial losers then, basically. That's fine. That's pretty cool though. I think we're good for today. Anyway, that is the first episode of whatever we're gonna be naming this series. Basically, it was pretty fun. I liked it. What do you think?
It's an experience.
It was an experience.
Talking to strangers, going on the street, but it was fun. It made people's day.
Yeah, they seemed like they liked it. I don't know. We enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. I gotta figure out a series name though. What do you think a good series name is? One of the names that kind of strike me for this series is called, I'm thinking would be good, is called Average Hypebeast, because it's like a play on words basically. Because when you think about it, Hypebeast is nothing but average, you know, it's nothing. So when you call yourself an average Hypebeast, it defeats the whole purpose of being called a Hypebeast. And the people that we're filming, primarily, they're not Hypebeast, you know? They don't know about this stuff. That's why it was hard to answer these questions. I don't know. Maybe I just... I don't know. Just something I was thinking, you know?
What do we think about it?
About what?
About this new series that we filmed today.
It was good. You did a really good job, actually.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's not easy going up to strangers and just asking them random questions. And I feel like a lot of people will get uncomfortable, you know, just being in front of a camera randomly when they're not expecting it. So it was nice that we got people answering questions and just kind of, you know, it was good. It was good. I'm glad a couple people won and stuff too. So I think it went well, and I think that it was fun enough for us that I would want to continue filming it if you guys want to continue watching it. So if you guys are interested in this video, be sure to like it down below. Let me know in the comments what kind of questions you guys want to see. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I don't know. My highlight was just having fun with my friend Cody.
That never happened.
That never happened. Stop lying to the YouTube people. Stop lying. This is awkward. We should probably just end it here, right? And then you can bust out the shoots at the end.
What is the infamous shoots? I don't watch the videos.
Oh, you suck. Caught that on tape, thank goodness. True, okay, well.
That is the outro.
Okay, well, anyway, guys. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I'll see you.
Shoots.
Yeah, see, he doesn't know. Okay, shoots, bye. Damn it, Cody.